Did you hear the one about the president who threatened to slap a 100% tariff on your meds? It almost happened. In a high stakes game of chicken, Trump backed down after Pfizer caved, promising to lower drug prices. But is this a real win for your wallet or just a PR stunt? Pfizer's now investing $70 billion in the US. But what did they get in return? We're following the money, and the implications are bigger than you think. Is this the beginning of the end for outrageous drug prices, or just another chapter in the pharma playbook?
Is this the end of your local pharmacy? Big Pharma is cutting out the middleman and selling drugs directly to you. Companies like Pfizer, Novo Nordisk, and Eli Lilly are launching their own direct-to-consumer websites, promising lower prices and more convenience. But is this a good thing? While it might save you a few bucks, it could also lead to a massive consolidation of power in the hands of a few giant corporations. Are we trading one set of problems for another?
Another day, another massive payout from a pharma giant. Johnson & Johnson is shelling out up to $9 million to settle lawsuits claiming its talc products caused cancer. This is just the latest in a string of scandals for the company, which has already paid out billions in other cases. But is this justice for the victims or just the cost of doing business for a multi-billion-dollar corporation? We're digging into the details of this case and what it means for consumer safety. It's almost like these companies factor lawsuits into their business models. Let's take a closer look.
A popular birth control shot has been linked to brain tumors, and we're asking why we didn't know sooner. Lawsuits are piling up against Pfizer, the maker of Depo-Provera, alleging that the company failed to warn users about the potential risks. This is a story about corporate responsibility, the power of the pharmaceutical industry, and the women who have been affected. We're breaking down the science and the legal battles in this developing story.
That prescription your doctor just handed you, it might have been influenced by a big pharma payday. A new report reveals that industry payments are shaping doctors' prescribing decisions, and it's costing you money and potentially your health. We're following the money trail and exposing the doctors who are taking cash from drug companies. This is a story you can't afford to miss.
Artificial intelligence is poised to revolutionize medicine. But are we ready for it? AI-powered devices are already being used to diagnose diseases and recommend treatments. But there's a dark side to this new technology. A new investigation has found that many AI device manufacturers are not disclosing their financial ties to doctors, raising serious questions about conflicts of interest. Are we on the verge of a medical breakthrough, or are we being sold a bill of goods?
While politicians in Washington are playing games, your health is at risk. The government shutdown has brought the FDA to a standstill, and that means new drug approvals are on hold. This is a story about political dysfunction and its real-world consequences. We're looking at the drugs that are stuck in limbo and the patients who are waiting for them. It's a situation that affects real people with real medical needs, yet here we are, caught in another political stalemate.
How a false claim about a common pain reliever and autism went viral on TikTok and sparked a public health crisis. We're debunking the misinformation and showing you how to spot fake health news. This is a must-watch for anyone who gets their news from social media. Actually, that's probably most of us these days.